So we're going to create a chart for the Digital Economy Society Index, the 2018 rankings. Um, and this will display all of the rankings of the Digital Society Index. And then we're going to create this and have it done by country code. So to start, we're going to take the weighted score. So here we have the measures, and up top here we have the dimensions. We're going to put the weighted score into the columns area. We're going to take the indicator over here from the dimension, add it to color. And then next we'll take the country code, and then we'll take the country code and we're going to add that into the rows. So what you see here is we have all of the country codes listed, and then we have all of the indicators on the bottom. So now we're going to switch this axis to have it look a little bit, cleaner. Now it's a little bit cleaner. Changing the axis makes it a little bit better. But I don't like the view so much. I want this in ascending view. So we're going to right click, and then we're going to sort it in descending. So now we have it in the descending view, which makes it a little bit easier to read. You can clearly see where the lowers points are and see where the high points are. I think we're going to change this a little bit and flip it to the entire view. So what this does is it spreads it out across the page so you can have a better view and see all of the country codes and what their weighted score is. A little bit easier to read. The next thing that we are going to do is we're going to move the indicator so that it reads on top of the on top and in the middle, have it centered to the chart. So to do this, we're going to drag it over and put it right above this line here, and here you go. So now we have the indicator up. And what it also does, it expands and elongates the chart so we can see it clearly from left to right and everything not be scrunched up. We're going to edit the title. So to do this, double click the title. It opens up this window, and we're going to write the title of the chart, which is Digital Economy Society Index, also known as DESI, 2018 rankings. We're going to make this bold. We'll center it. And then we'll change the font to Times New Roman. Hit apply. And now we have it centered in our chart. The next thing that we want to do is we're going to remove this country code here because we don't really need that. We don't need that in the middle of our page taking up space. So what we're going to do is going to right click on it, hide labels and columns. Now I also want to remove these labels for the columns and rows. So we're going to do click, hide row, hide columns, and now we're going to hide the rows. And now this is how we have our replica of the rankings, which we reverse engineered.